there was a cricket tournament, Pali Hill 11 versus Kutte 11. You were a part of Pali Hill 11 and Salman was a part of Kutte 11 and you both were not stars.
अच्छा हाँ, मुझे टीम का नाम याद नहीं है. हाँ, बट एक मैच हुआ था. सलमान की टीम थी और हमारी टीम थी, और आई थिंक एंड्रूज में हुआ था.
Yes.
सेंट एंड्रूज में हमने वो मैच किया था.
Saint Andrew.
हाँ, और वो मैच हम लोग कुत्ते की तरह हारे थे. इफ आई रिमेम्बर करेक्टली वो लोग जीते थे. नहीं,
उन्होंने मुझे रिजल्ट नहीं कहा, बट
नहीं कहा.
told that it was a like I think first time जब आप खेले तब कयामत had not released and जब रिलीज हो गई थी तब there were people standing outside. मैंने प्यार किया रिलीज नहीं हुई थी.
हाँ, हाँ.
सलमान ने आपका कैच पकड़ा एंड जो क्राउड खड़ा था वो उसको बू कर रहा था.
नहीं, मुझे याद नहीं है सब, पर मुझे एक चीज याद है. टुवर्ड्स द लास्ट फ्यू ओवर्स उनको कुछ लास्ट बॉल रह गया था उनको, या लास्ट ओवर था, उनको काफी रन्स चाहिए थे और सलमान आया था बैटिंग करने के लिए. उसने 1-2 छक्के मारे थे, मुझे याद है. दैट्स व्हाई दे हैड वन दैट मैच.
From I think 1987 to now, the Bond has like survived everything. From
That's true. Yeah. Salman and I go back a long way. Yeah.
much before being an actor.
Well, before becoming actors, we had met
Yeah.
a few times, but we were not in the same group or something. So I used to meet him once in a while. Ek aad jagah, some common friends. So I remember meeting him, seeing him. He was really into fitness.
Yeah.
And yeah.
But sir, when we talk of the era gone by, the last 35 years, क्या आपको याद है first instance where you felt like a superstar?
सुपरस्टार का तो पता नहीं, but the first instant when I realized that people are recognizing me was कयामत से कयामत तक रिलीज हुई थी. और उसके कुछ 2-3 दिन बाद मैं गाड़ी चला रहा था. मेरे पास तो गाड़ी नहीं थी उस वक्त, बट आई वाज ड्राइविंग माय अंकल्स कार और किसी काम से मुझे भेजा था, तो आई वाज गोइंग समवेयर. रात का टाइम था, इट वाज 8 o'clock and I stopped at that Bandra station signal. और वहां पे मैं गाड़ी सिग्नल पे रुकी हुई थी, तो लेफ्ट में मैंने देखा तो कुछ एक कपल था एंड दे वर स्माइलिंग एट मी. सो मुझे लगा शायद मैं उनको जानता हूँ. एंड सो देन आई वाज ट्राइंग टू थिंक के कौन है ये लोग यार, इनको मैं कभी मिला तो हूँ नहीं. मुझे दे आर स्माइलिंग एज इफ दे नो मी, तो आई सेड मैं भूल गया हूँ यार, मेरे पेरेंट्स को कोई फ्रेंड्स होंगे, हम डांट पड़ने वाली है, आपने हाई भी नहीं बोला. तो फिर उन्होंने ऐसा हाई किया, तो मैंने भी हाई किया, बट मुझे लगा शायद किसी और को कर रहे हैं. मुझे तो मतलब आई ऐसा कंफ्यूजन, ऐसे 10-15 सेकंड कंफ्यूजन चल रहा था. एंड देन सडनली आई रियलाइज कि ओ इन्होंने फिल्म देखी है यार, ये मेरे को पहचान रहे हैं. तो ऐसे हाँ मैं ही हूँ भाई. सो आई रिमेम्बर दैट वाज द फर्स्ट मोमेंट ऑफ मी रियलाइजिंग दैट suddenly I'm recognized.
That must be a very special feeling.
It was a very strange feeling. It's a strange feeling because before that जब मैं पब्लिक में जाता था तो मैं कोई भी मुझे पहचानता नहीं था. तो वो मेरे लिए नॉर्मल था कि हम लोग जा रहे हैं, ट्रेन में जा रहे हैं, ट्रैवल कर रहा हूं मैं, रोड पे चल रहा हूं, नो वन इज गिविंग मी एनी एक्स्ट्रा अटेंशन. दैट्स नॉर्मल फॉर मी. बट जब एक दफा फिल्म रिलीज हुई और लोग पहचानने लगे, तो दैट वाज अ वेरी ऑड फीलिंग फॉर मी.
आमिर सर, अभी सितारे जमीन पर है and you announced the film with Mr. Rajkumar Hirani. You are reuniting with him after Three Idiots and PK, which are two of the most loved. How many of you all here are fans of Three Idiots and PK? So third time collaboration and you see the love. Everyone has seen it, loved the film, and you are playing the father of Indian cinema in his film. Could you tell us something like how excited are you and how different will this be from?
I think Falke is a huge challenge here because it's not a film which is a regular mainstream film जहाँ पे action होगा और set pieces होंगे. It's not that. It's a story of a man. एक आदमी की कहानी है जो वो चीज करता है जो उस वक्त लोग imagine भी नहीं कर पाए थे. People were not able to imagine only what Falke was telling them. So he was way ahead. He was an adventurer. He was a person who was full of life and excitement about something that he wanted to do. And nobody else could understand that. So it's one man's journey on an adventure, which even he does not know that time, कि ये adventure मुझे कहाँ ले जाएगा. So it's a very inspirational story, I feel. And it'll be a great honor, I think, for Raju and me to make a biopic on Dada Saib Phalke. Yeah.
But like your earlier two films, can we expect a lot of comedy as well? Because that's a trademark that
I think Raju and Abhijat have a special leaning towards comedy, and so do I. We all three of us really like humor, and I think that's the genre that Raju likes to work in.
Yeah.
Drama with humor. Yeah. So I think this will also probably fall into that genre. Yeah.
And so you spoke about action. You also have an action film coming up, which you are in talks with Mr. Lokesh Kanagraj, a superhero action film.
Yeah.
How exciting is
Oh,
that?
I'm very excited about that. I'm very excited about that because Lokesh is an amazing director, and though that will start next year, second half
After.
after Raju's, yeah. So that will probably start in September.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's also something I'm really looking forward to. Yeah.
That's a new genre for you as well.
Well, it's for me, it's exciting because I haven't done it for very long. So I'm excited about that.
Yes.
Yeah.
And Amit sir, काफी लोगों का ये complain होता है that you don't do many films. This is the first time जहाँ पे आपके पास 2-3 film already lined up है. Is that a conscious thing जो आपने break में किया?
नहीं, वो हमेशा 2-3 फिल्में लाइंड अप होती हैं. वो ऐसे ही होता है. बट वो बनते बनते फिर because once I get involved in one thing, then I get lost in that one thing. So then, but filmmaking is a very difficult process.
Yeah.
And sometimes when you go down that path, after going down the path for a very long time, then you realize कि नहीं यार इसमें मजा नहीं आ रहा है. तो you have to have a strong heart कि आपने किसी चीज में बहुत invest किया है emotionally, but then you should have the courage to understand that no, I'm not happy, so let's not do it. तो ऐसा भी बहुत दफा होता है that when we start on a journey, we don't eventually reach the destination. That also happens many times. But that's part of the journey and learning. So, मेरा average rate of films coming out, you said 45, na?
Yeah, this was a 44.
45 films in 35 years. So it's 1 point, क्या किसका math कितना किसका अच्छा है? 1.2 films in a year?
Yeah.
1.3? 1.3 films in a year is been my average. Yeah.
That's not. But I think in the
That-
90s you did multiple films.
Actually वो average 1.3 इसलिए क्योंकि beginning of my career मैंने साथ में बहुत सारी फिल्में की थी. Last 20 सालों में मेरा average 1 in 2 years रहा है शायद. I don't know.
Yeah, that's the
2 years पे मेरी एक फिल्म आती है. तो your complaint is that I should do more films.
Yeah,
I'll try. I'll try.
yes.
But होता नहीं है यार. मैंने बहुत ट्राई किया है. हर साल एक फिल्म आए. बीच बीच में आती थी. There was a period when एक फिल्म आ रही थी, I think. But वो
I think it was 3 Idiots. Then you had the Gajni, 3 Idiots.
no, Gajni was 2008.
8. 3 Idiots was 2009.
Was it?
Yeah,
Ah.
2009 Christmas.
Right. 2010 was
Dhobi Ghat.
Dhobi Ghat. 2011 was Talash.
I think 12 was Talash.
12 was.
Talash, 13 Dhoom 3, 14 PK.
देखो एक एक साल पे आई ना फिल्म मेरी यार.
Yeah.
आई ना एक एक साल में यार. क्या कंप्लेंट कर रहा है खामोखा यार. हाँ.
अभी वापस आएगी, yes. And so you also have, as a producer, films lined up. You have Lahore 1947, which is with Sunny Deol. And there is one very small film which I am hearing very good things about. That is Pritam Pyare, if I am not wrong.
Yeah. So I've got a number of films that as a production house we have made. There's Pritam Pyare. There's Lahore with Sunny. Pritam Pyare has got Sanjay Mishra and Neeraj. And so it's not a huge star cast or anything, but it's a wonderful story. I really like the story of Pritam Pyare. Then there is Lahore, as you rightly said. Then there is Ek Din. Ek Din is a romantic film which has got Junaid and Sai Pallavi. And then there is a film I have made with Veer Das.
Happy Patel.
Happy Patel,
Yeah.
Khatarnak Jasoos is the title. It's like a Austin Powers genre, very mad comedy. So that's another one I've produced. Yeah.
Wow.
तो इसमें से action तो एक भी नहीं है.
नहीं, action.
हाँ, action एक भी नहीं है. Lahore has got Sunny Deol, who's an action star. और एक sequence action का उसमें बहुत कमाल है. fantastic action he's done in that. But the film is not an action film. It's basically it's a drama.
When can we expect that?
I don't know yet. We're gonna now, once this is release gets over, I'll get into those films. Yeah.
Pinkvilla. Look no further.